Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a lifeguard station that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. For the observation deck, start with a 4x4 plate. Along the left hand side, I'm going to set down a set of 1x2 plates with holder. Then in the back, a 1x2 modified plate with stick and a 1x1 plate right here. In the middle, set down a 1x2, 1x3, and 1x2 plates. And on the right hand side, a pair of 1x1 by 1x1 downwards angular plates. These and the holders are going to be used to attach accessories to our observation deck. Next, set down a 1x4 flat tile right here. Then a 2x2 plate that's going to be used to anchor down our seat, and a 1x4 flat tile. Then I'm going to stack a set of 2x2 round plates with cross hole on top of one another. I'm going to set these right here. And we're going to place a 2x2x2 seat right on top of the round plates. And a set of 1x4x2 safety handles, safety rails. I don't know what those are called. We'll just set those right there. Let's take one of these supports. It's on a 2x4 flat tile. I'm going to flip this thing upside down. We're going to note the orientation of the modified 1x2 plate with stick. I'm going to place this right in the back here to where it's like that. And on the modified plate, a ladder fence. Set that down. On the left hand side, I'm going to take one of these little rescue cans. We'll set this right in there. Every lifeguard station needs one of those. And over here, we're going to set a life buoy, also known as the toilet seat that I usually use. And right here, set of binoculars. We got to look off in the distance, make sure nobody's in trouble. And then a bullhorn right here, or a loudspeaker. Place that like so. For the umbrella, start with a 6x6 parabola dish. I'm going to place a 2x2 flat tile on the top. Then I'm going to flip this over and set down a 2x2 round plate with cross hole. Then I'm going to take a 4-stud long stick and a holder with a 3.2 hole. I'm going to place a stick inside the hole. I'm going to place the other end of the stick inside the 2x2 round plate. Now let's set our umbrella on one of the safety rails. Got to keep our lifeguard shaded off to finish up the lifeguard station.